Hi everyone, this is Kim Pactol again, and I'm going to report about the case of Carlos A. Loria, the petitioner, versus Rodolfo P. Munoz, the respondent, GR number 187240, dated October 15, 2014. Now, this case talks about a person unjustly enriching himself at the expense of another. For the facts of the case, Loria received 2 million pesos from Munoz for a subcontract of a government project to dredge the Masarawag and San Francisco rivers in Ginabatan, Albay. However, Munoz was not subcontracted for the project, and Loria retained the 2 million pesos. The contention of Loria is that the principle of unjust enrichment does not apply in this case, because their agreement, therefore, was void for being contrary to law, because Munoz paid Loria 2 million pesos for a subcontract of a government project. Now, the issue of the case is whether Loria is liable for 2 million pesos to Munoz. The court ruled that Loria must return the 2 million pesos to Munoz under the principle of unjust enrichment. Loria was unjustly enriched because he retained Munoz's money without valid basis or justification. Contrary to Loria's claim, Section 6 of the Presidential Decree number 1594 does not prevent Munoz from recovering his money. The petition for review on certiorari is denied, and the Court of Appeals decision and resolution in CAGR CV number 81882 are affirmed with modification as to interest rate. Petitioner Carlos A. Loria shall pay respondent Rodolfo P. Munoz Jr. 2 million pesos in actual damages with interest of 12% per annum from the filing of the complaint until June 30, 2013, and 6% per annum from July 1, 2013 until full payment. That's the end of my case presentation. Thank you everyone and keep safe.